All right, we're out and about. We're down by the train tracks today. We're actually going to go in and check out the model trains at the train show here in Parkersburg. Yeah, get in my way. MOV MRC.
Well, now you're going to get a chance. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Hey Rose, why don't you pick your favorite train and show me at the end, okay? Ready? Yeah. Here it comes. Oh, he got stuck. There he catches. Here's a cool sight. We actually got a short of them opening this bridge there a few years ago. That's the Harmer train bridge up in Marietta. That's pretty cool.
Are you sitting up in the middle or the big open?
I really like this setup right here. They had an Amtrak train going on the top. And this is really well done. Looks so realistic. And it's got a background that's a real picture. Oh, here comes one of those little Amtraks I was talking about. I'm gonna get a couple of them.
I'm going to tell you, we're
All right, Rose is gonna show me which one was her favorite. All right, Rose said these trains and this scene's her favorite one.
Got my name on it. Okay. So I'll get a cash and I'll bring you the cash or. Mail it to me. Huh? Mail it to me.
Here's one that's not running, but it's a really small. Check that out. Z gauge, Z scale. Pretty cool. All kinds of cool old pictures of the B&O up near Cumberland and Kingwood. It would eventually ran down through Parkersburg on this same line. It's part of what they call the mountain subdivision. A lot of cool pictures here. I don't know where this is. It's Union Pacific and some trains I don't recognize.
That's south. No, he kept on going.
Here, it's right outside. There used to be a passenger car that sat right out the door there in the parking lot, and it's been long gone. Here's the bridge where we do Belper Industrial Parkersburg rail fans.
Who did he hit? Who did he hit?
Here's the old train depot that doesn't exist anymore.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, Coach Oldham. Yeah.
How you doing? Y'all been?
Alrighty, that's it. We're heading out of here. If you guys like that video, be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.